Welcome to a brand new tutorial where I take you through the journey of becoming a professional DJ. DJ is a short form of disc jockey. This is a person who plays music for his or her audience, aligning beats so that the rhythm and tempo of the song don't clash when playing together. There are two types of DJ. One is the hardware DJ. The person who uses the turntable and DJ software, or the new DJ turntable, which is inbuilt in the speakers. You can check the link in the description below for some of turntables. The second type is a software DJ. This is a person who uses software alone on a laptop in place of a turntable. In our tutorial, we'll be concentrating on the software DJ. In future, we'll be looking at hardware DJ after we conversant with how the software works. Software DJ is the easiest since you just use a laptop alone. As long as you know how to use a computer mouse to click, you can become a professional DJ. In all my mixes, you can check the link in the description. I've used the software and just a mouse click, nothing more. You can start a career as a DJ or you do it for fun. There are a few areas where you can get employment. One of them is TV stations, radio stations, as an online DJ where you offer your sets on social media and even your website for a subscription or for free. You can also play your music in hotels, clubs, events like wedding, pre-wedding, burials, political rallies, and many more events. You can also sell your sets directly from a shop. You can also sell it to transport sector where they pay it for their customers. Then in return, they pay you. Or you can start as a freelancer on freelancing sites. You can check my tutorial. I'll leave the link in the description on how you can start your career as a DJ freelancing and many more areas. Where do you get the music from? One, you can buy directly from the artist producers or their distributors. You can also buy online from the sites that sell the music. A search for any artist on Google will present you with music you can buy. There are also sites that offer free downloads, so it's not recommended. So how do we go about creating your DJ label and creating a sound effect for use in your mix? With a pen and a paper, just write down the names that come in your head and pick one that is unique, that you feel fits you. As an example, mine I use DJ wa Angel. This I picked from what people in our area usually call me. Then I appended the name, the word DJ to complete the label. So before you start, you need the following. One is a laptop to play the music with. You also need an Android phone, which you use to create our DJ name effect. This will be using a free Android app from playstore, which I purely developed by myself. And you can use the preset voices, record your DJ name, and save the DJ effect as MP3. All these are free, and you don't need to worry about copyright. Check the links in the description below for the app. We'll also be using software. In the next tutorial, we'll be downloading and installing the software and also go through the basics that you need to start your DJ career. If you have any question, be sure to leave a comment. I'm here to help you. You can follow this tutorial playlist using the link in the description. Remember to subscribe, like and share. You can also support me with any of the methods in the description. Also check a detailed tutorial on my website. Link is in the description below.